Welcome to English Premier Class, Kitchen Utensils and Vocabulary. This is called knife. Knife. This is called cutting board. Cutting board. This is called peeler. Peeler. This is called grater. Grater. This is called kitchen shear or scissor. Scissor. This is called vegetables brush. Vegetables brush. This is called potatoes masher. Potatoes masher. This is called whisk. Whisk. This is called wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. This is called spatula. Spatula. This is called ladle. Ladle. This is called tongs. Tongs. This is called slotted spoon. Slotted spoon. This is called colander. Colander. This is called measuring cup. Measuring cup. This is called measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. This is called rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is called pastry brush. Pastry brush. This is called can opener. Can opener. This is called bottle opener. Bottle opener. This is called corkscrew. Corkscrew. This is called kitchen scale. Kitchen scale. This is called garlic press. Garlic press. This is called egg slicer. Egg slicer. This is called stove. Stove. This is called fry pan. Fry pan. This is called cheese slicer. Cheese slicer. This is called potato peeler. Potato peeler. This is called melon baller. Melon baller. This is called ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. This is called pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. This is called zester. Zester. What we missed in this video? Let us know in the comment box. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel.